Markets recover partially after Trump pauses tariffs on Mexico. Global financial markets experienced significant volatility on Monday, February 3, 2025, following President Donald Trump's announcement of new tariffs on imports from China, Canada, and Mexico. This move triggered investor fears of escalating trade tensions, leading to sharp declines in major stock indices during the morning session. At the start of trading, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped more than 665 points. The S&P 500 fell 193, and the Nasdaq Composite declined over 1%. However, markets quickly regained some ground after Mexico announced a temporary delay in the implementation of tariffs, easing investor concerns. By mid-session, the Dow Jones had trimmed its losses to just 150.03. According to the New York Post, Trump later confirmed on Truth Social that he had a very friendly conversation with Mexican officials, during which Mexico agreed to deploy 10,000 soldiers along the U.S.-Mexico border. He added that negotiations for a more permanent deal would continue over the next month. Thierry Wisman, a global FX and rates strategist at Macquarie, noted that markets still believe Trump is using tariffs as a negotiating tool, rather than a permanent policy as reported by The Guardian. Impact on stocks and major companies. Shares of Ford and General Motors, two automakers heavily reliant on North American supply chains, initially fell 1.5% each before rebounding. Meanwhile, Constellation Brands, a major importer of alcoholic beverages from Mexico, saw its stock drop. Market outlook and continued uncertainty. Investors are closely watching corporate earnings reports this week, with over 120 companies in the S&P 500 set to announce results, including Alphabet, Google, Amazon, and Walt Disney. Additionally, the U.S. non-farm payroll report on Friday is expected to provide crucial insights into the state of the economy amid ongoing trade tensions. While markets have calmed for now, analysts warn that future tariff decisions will depend on the success of U.S.-Mexico negotiations and whether these trade measures remain a